we saw how the 2's become an 8, right? Now we will take a look at the common mistakes we do. For example, 2 to the power 5 is not equal to 2 into 5. We may think 2 to the power 5 as 2 into 5. It is not equal to, okay, this is wrong. 2 to the power 5 is not equal to 10, okay. 2 to the power 5 equals what? 2 multiplied by 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 5 times, right? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 4, 16, 32. Okay, 2 to the power 5 is 2 multiplied 5 times, that is 32. What do we do? Second mistake we do. So minus 2 minus 2 to the power 4 is does not equal minus 2 to the power whole power 4. This is what the other mistake. The minus is like this, right? There are two things. Instead of taking like two different things, we should not take minus 2 to the power 4, okay? Without the parenthesis. Which is a parenthesis? This is a parenthesis. This bracket is called parenthesis. This is called square bracket, okay? This is called parenthesis. So there is a parenthesis here, okay? So instead of looking at a parenthesis here, don't include this here. That is what they are saying, okay? So without the parenthesis, positive 2 is multiplied by itself 4 times. Okay, first the positive 2 is multiplied 4 times, then negative sign is added. So with the parenthesis, what would happen? Okay, what would happen is with the parenthesis, negative 2 is multiplied 4 times. Negative 2 is multiplied by itself 4 times. Okay, why? Because the exponent is 4. Then the answer becomes positive. You know why the answer becomes positive? That is because 4 times negative becomes positive. Okay, so minus 2 to the power 4 equals, how should we write? First, there is a hidden number, negative should be written as minus 1. Minus can be written as minus 1 times. We call it into, multiplication, anything, but we call it times. 4 times, 2 times, minus 1 times. Positive 2. Okay, there is a positive sign here before the 2. Okay, so positive 2 to the power 4. So minus 1 times positive 2 to the power 4. That is, this minus 1 gets here, and positive 2. How many times positive 2? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So what happens? 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16. 16 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 16 is the right answer. Why? You should ask the question. The number 1 and the positive sign are invisible. This number 1 here, right? You say this, there is a number, there is a negative 1 is hidden here. Minus means minus 1. And there is a positive 2 which is also hidden. We did not bring it to picture, right? These two are hidden. This number is hidden. Hidden means it is not written explicitly, and this positive, we don't write this positive sign here, right? So these are hiding here. So anything times 1 is what? Anything. That is 4 times 1 is 4. Anything times 1 is anything, right? 10 times 1 is 10. So 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 16, right? So it becomes positive, and negative into positive equal to negative, right? But positive into positive, since minus 1 is negative and the rest are all positive, we got a negative 16, right? So instead of that, if we accidentally put a assumed or presumed a parenthesis like this, what would happen? Minus, we would have written as minus 2 to the power 4, that is equal to minus 2 is multiplied 4 times. That becomes a positive 16. You want to know why? multiply the numbers 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 first, equal to 16. Then later multiply the negative signs. One first negative sign with this second negative sign, first negative multiplied by second negative, minus into minus is positive, right? Then here we got a positive. But this positive with negative, what would happen? That positive with the third negative, this is the third negative, gives a negative sign. So we get a negative sign here, right? This negative when multiplied with the fourth negative becomes positive. So answer is a positive 16. So we get incorrectly the positive 16. So this is wrong. We should not put a parenthesis like this. Okay.